Cooking Appa.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Did you hear that? Ding, 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 ding. Yes, Christmas is coming. So for those who are celebrating Christmas at home, which I believe many of you will be celebrating Christmas at home, having a home party, you may want to do some roast chicken at home. Personally, I don't like turkey, because to me turkey meat is too dry for me. So I will prefer to make a chicken, and which is good enough for my family, especially the size. Today Appa has with me about 1.1 kg of whole chicken here, and I'm going to grill it rotisserie style using my air fryer, my 24-liter air fryer from Enhans. Now, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to wash the whole chicken, and then the next thing is to marinate your chicken with three things. The first is salt, secondly is 5-spice powder, and thirdly is the black pepper. So about 1 teaspoon each, nicely cooked, marinate the whole chicken, including the cavity inside. Yeah, including the cavity inside here, using these three items. And then of course I did one more thing, which is to use a wooden stick here. You will notice I actually use a wooden stick to actually stick fix the chicken wing onto the body, because later when it rolls, when it rotates, if I don't do this, the chicken wing may drop off. Yeah, okay, so I use 2 wooden sticks to do that. The next thing we want to do is to put in some, give it more enhanced flavor, using some few pieces of garlic, shallot, green onion, and also ginger. So all this we are going to put inside into the cavity of the chicken. Just put inside the ginger, the garlic. Oops, oh, this is the wooden stick, be careful. Shallot, and also the green onion. Okay, push it inside. Now, during the cooking process, the grilling process, the flavor, the aroma releasing from the garlic, ginger and stuff is going to further enhance the flavor of your chicken. And not only that, when everything is ready, you can actually take out the ginger, garlic and stuff and blend it and make it into some chicken sauce. Yeah, so that is going to be extremely flavorful. And not forgetting, just now inside, we also flavor it with a little bit of salt, black pepper, and also 5-spice powder. Okay, and when you want to marinate the chicken, don't forget to use a kitchen towel to pat the chicken dry. Yeah. So now after marination, you let your chicken marinate for about 2 hours in the fridge. Next thing we do is to prepare some. This is honey plus white vinegar. So we are going to apply it on top of the chicken. So why honey, why white vinegar? White vinegar is not going to give it the soury taste. Don't worry. Instead, the white vinegar is there to further release, to rehydrate, not rehydrate. Sorry, to remove the moisture from the chicken, okay, which is going to make your chicken skin more crispy. And of course, the honey is going to give it some more caramelized color to your chicken. So it's going to look even better, yeah. So this process will look a little bit messy. Okay, honey and white vinegar, right? Next thing we do right before grilling, give it one layer of oil as well. This is going to help the cooking process. You can also spray it, but sometimes I feel using a brush is more even. Okay, done. So next thing we want to do is to fix the skewer, fix the chicken onto the skewer. Okay, so this is the rotating skewer inside. Later it will turn like this inside the air fryer. So of course you release one of the side here. Release one side first. Then put it in. Okay, put through. Then you want to push into the chicken a little bit to get it fixed. And then you want to fix the other side now. It's a little bit oily now, so it's a bit difficult to operate. Okay, now you want to also push this inside to the chicken, yep, so that you can fix it. Yep. Okay, and then you turn this to fix the skewer, and you have something like this. Okay, and then I'm going to push. I think I'm going to adjust the angle a little bit to push it over slightly more onto the middle, and then I'll move it into. I'll put it inside the air fryer. Alright, so this is my 24-liter air fryer, big enough to rotate about 1.3, even 1.4 kg of chicken inside. I'm going to preheat this using about 100. Oops, I'm going to use air fry function, about 160 degree. I'm going to turn it to about 15 minutes. Why 15 minutes? Because the first 10 minutes is going to be preheat, and then the balance remaining 40 minutes will be the grilling process. Okay, and then since the chicken is for only about 1.1 kg, if it gets cooked earlier than 40 minutes, then I will just take it out. And the good thing is you have this transparent glass that where you can monitor the cooking process, so it won't be overly burned or things like that. When it is almost cooked, you can already take it out. Okay, this is after 10 minutes preheating. You can take it out, open this. The moment you open this, it will stop automatically. So you are given this tool here. So you want to be a bit careful. Very slowly and very carefully. You can bring the chicken over, and there are some specific position for you to put inside. Okay. Okay. Oops, this one onion actually dropped out. Should be fine. Okay, and then I'm going to close it, and you will start seeing it turning. Can you see from your angle? Yeah. Okay, so if you notice even the drumstick is disturbing the rotating process, you can also find some wooden stick to stick it closely to the body itself. So far, I look at it, it seems okay. Yep. All right. So it looks fine. If it's disturbing the grilling process, just use a wooden stick to stick the drumstick. The last round I did, the chicken wing actually was touching the heating element. So this round I actually use something to stick it up. Okay, so this is actually a very happy process. I don't mind sitting here for 40 minutes, looking at it, keep on turning and look at it as the color gets darker and darker and more golden color. It's very exciting. All right. By the way, if you want to know more about this particular machine, this air fryer come oven, I will put the information in the description box. Actually, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just letting you all know one of the good kitchen equipment that Appa is using very often. Okay, so just let it grill for about 30 to 40 minutes. Definitely it will be done by then. This is about 34 minutes grilling. You can see the color is really getting very even. The good thing about this is because it rotates by itself, so the cooking process is more evenly done. 40 minutes definitely more than enough. So another 5-6 minutes to go, and then I'll be taking out this chicken. Okay, this is after 40 minutes grilling, okay, or air frying. Whoa! Look at how the chicken is sizzling very nicely. Oh, so super fragrant. You can actually see some chicken oil at the bottom. No? Later, I'll be using the garlic, ginger, and everything inside, the stuff inside the chicken together with the chicken oil to make a sauce or gravy for this particular chicken. Okay, look at how beautiful it is. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. See how beautiful it is, my God. Okay, and it is super tender, I'm telling you. Super tender. So let's very carefully and slowly remove the chicken. Let me on the light. Take out one side and the other side. Oh, check this out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, let me take a photo with this. Let me see. Oh, right. You want to be very careful to remove all these skewers, the metal skewer, because it's extremely hot. Okay, so loosen it up. Loosen up here as well. So you can take it out. This side also. Oh no, actually I just need to take out one of this. Let me try again. Okay. Take out one of this. And then I can, how do I take the chicken out? Get a fork. Okay. Oh, can you see the smoke coming out just now? My goodness. Oh, so nice. The last time I did this, many people asked me, say, Appa, how come you never show how when you cut it and they want to see what exactly is inside. So let me try to cut it for you this round. Take out the stick where I used to actually fix the chicken wing. Turn it over. It's probably easier to cut this way. Ooh, very hot. Very nice. Okay, use a very clean cloth to help you. Can you see this? Okay. Ooh, I almost break. Oh, so super juicy. Ooh. The drumstick almost came off. Let me get something to hold on to the chicken. Maybe a fork will help. Let me adjust the angle for you a bit. Okay, you can see how juicy the whole chicken is, right? Take it out. Okay, break it open. Ooh, I still have a little bit of, is this liver or kidney? It's still inside. I didn't manage to throw it away. It's okay. All right, now I'm going to take all this to make a gravy. It is actually super flavorful. All the garlic, ginger, and also green onion. So basically they have done a good deed to each other. It has flavored the chicken, and the chicken has also flavored them. So they both flavor each other. Ooh, there is one liver here. Or what is this, kidney or heart? I will just throw the heart away later. Okay. Let me turn the chicken around. Oops. Very hot. Woo, very hot. Wow. Woo. Very hot and super juicy. Okay, I have a hand blender here. Put in the ginger, green onion, and also garlic, and also shallot. And let's add in a bit of hot water. There's some chicken oil here. Don't waste it. My hand is a bit oily. Make sure it's properly covered. Alright, blend it all up. Okay, we're going to use this to make some gravy. Okay, I've taken out the bottom layer of the air fryer just now, where it actually has a lot of chicken oil here, natural chicken oil here. And then of course we have this. The ginger and garlic blended. Oh, it's already very fragrant. I'm going to give it a little bit of light soy sauce and some black pepper. Where's my black pepper just now? Okay, about half teaspoon of black pepper. Ooh, it's already very fragrant. I don't mind giving a bit more water. So this will become a very nice gravy with chicken oil and also all the chicken flavor. Probably to give it some a bit nicer color, I'm going to put in some dark soy sauce. Nice. It will give it some nice caramelized color. Okay, probably about 1 teaspoon enough. Going to give it a little bit of salt and sugar. And it is basically done. Our broth is ready. Of course, you can also grill some potato and capsicum, yeah, together to go with it, or some French fries off the fryer. Pour it over. This is my gravy. Roast chicken gravy. Done. Alright, so here's Appa's roast whole chicken. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram. And subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Merry Christmas to all of you.